Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Onye Best, and you're welcome to Onye Best Beauty Patente B. Hope you guys are doing fine. Hope you are doing well. Hope you are doing beautifully well. Okay, guys, if you know you're just coming across my channel for the very first time, in order for you not to forget as we proceed, please do where to subscribe. And of course, turn the notification bell on so that as soon as I'm posting a video or I'm live, you are going to be notified. It is very important. Okay, at the end of this video, if you like what I'm going to teach you today, please do it to give me a thumbs up. It is very important. Thank you, and let us get started. My old subscribers, I do not forget you. Like, I really appreciate you all the time. Okay, and I hope that what you came to this channel to seek for, you're going to find it by the special grace of God. Now let us get into the video. Okay, we are still on segnalazioni semaforiche, and the last video we did was on corsia, semaphore for corsia. Now this time we're saying semaforo pedonale for pedestrians. Okay, now I'm going to read through as usual and explain to you what this signal mean on seeing it. Now most of us know, majority of us know what a sign is. Okay, but for those of you that don't know, I'm going to explain, and of course, by the special grace of God, like I always say, you're going to understand. But if you have one or two things giving you, um, maybe you're finding it difficult to understand as regarding to what I'm teaching you, please do it to leave it in the comment section. If it is worth doing a video for, I will do a video. If it's not, I'm going to reply you straight ahead in the comment section. Okay, now let's get started. Now, it says un semaforo pedonale regola il passaggio dei pedoni negli incroci. Now, this semaphore for pedestrians, it regulates the passage of pedestrians in a junction. Può essere dotato di segnalazioni acustiche per i non vedenti. Now, it can be equipped with a noise signal or a a noise. I don't know how to put this one. Okay, a beep, sort of something that can make a noise. Okay, a sound. Yes, I think that's the right word to use. So it can be equipped with a sound signal for those people that are blind, that can't see. It can be equipped with this signal. So in case they want to cross the road, they just have to make use of the signal. Con luce rossa accesa, impone arresto dei pedoni prima di attraversamento. Now, when it comes up the red light here, what does it tell you? It tells you as a pedoni, as pedestrians. Pedoni, pedestrians means people who use like the walker. Now, it tells them to do what? When it shows you red, it tells you stop. It's referring to only those on foot, please. Stop. Now, when it ons gialla fixa accesa, meaning if it shows a yellow fixed light, impone ai pedoni che hanno già occupato attraversamento pedonale di liberarlo rapidamente. Now, if it is a yellow fixed light, it tells you, it imposes you, if you are already occupying the crossing, the pedestrian crossing, if you're already occupying it, quickly clear that place. Basta. If you're already occupying that and it is a yellow fixed light, quickly clear the road. Now, based on semaphore pedonale again, the green one. Now we have done that of the red, we have done that of yellow fixed one, and now it is the green. Con luce verde accesa, permette ai pedoni attraversamento della strada e comporta per i conducenti l'obbligo di dare la precedenza ai pedoni che attraversano. Now, when it turns green here, it permits you, pedestrians, to cross the road. If it turns green, it now turns read to the vehicle place or the vehicle side. Now, what it tells them on their own parts is give them precedence, give them right of way, pedestrians, right of way. Ok? Now, non è che obbliga i pedoni a dare la precedenza ai veicoli che svuotano. Now, on seeing it turn green this way, it is not true that it obliges you as a pedestrian to give precedence to a vehicle that wants to make a turn. No, they are to give you precedence, okay? Not you obliged to give them precedence. It is not true, okay? Okay, that is that for Semaforo Pedonale. Okay, I hope you really enjoyed this one. I hope you understand. The most important thing is for you to understand. Now, if you're not understanding, it is better you ask a question. Like I always say, leave it in the comment section. It is very important. It is very important that you ask what you don't know, what you're not sure of. Please ask so that next time when you get to see the question, you already understand what it means. Okay? There's no need for confusion. Try to ask when you do not understand so that when you see that question again, you already know what it is. Okay? Guys, this will be the end of this particular video. I'll be coming up with more videos based on segnalazioni semaforiche. Okay? Until it is over, it is not yet over. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and share this video to your family, your friends, your loved ones. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Bye.